If you want to know how to make Steam games private, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your game details on Steam so other people can't easily see what you play. This is great if you want a little more privacy, if you don't want your library showing publicly, or if you just want to keep your gaming activity to yourself. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam desktop app or go to the Steam community website in your browser. You can use either one, but the desktop app is usually the easiest if you're already logged in. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile name. This will open a small menu with your account options. From that menu, click View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see what other people may be able to view. Now look for the Edit Profile button. Click that to open your profile's settings. On the left side, you'll see a menu with several categories. Find and click Privacy Settings. This is where the important part happens. In the Privacy Settings section, look for the option called Game Details. This setting controls whether people can see your games, your playtime, your achievements, and other related activity. By default, some of this information may be visible depending on your privacy level. If you want to make your Steam games completely private, change Game Details to Private. That means nobody will be able to see your games or related activity. If you want a slightly less strict option, you can choose Friends Only, which allows only people on your friends list to see your game details. Pick the option that fits your privacy preference best. The nice part is that Steam saves these changes automatically, so you don't need to press a separate save button. Once you switch the setting, your profile will update right away. At this point, your game details should no longer be visible to the public if you selected private, or limited to friends if you selected friends only. If you want to double check your settings, go back to your profile and view it as someone else might see it. That's a good way to confirm your privacy options are working the way you want. And remember, Steam privacy settings can affect more than just your game list, so it's always worth reviewing the rest of your profile options if you want full control over what people can see. So that's how to make Steam games private in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.